Hi everyone, today we are going to show you how to code on the element key, transponder key or chip key. The key in this specific example is a simple key without keyless entry, but the procedure is the same. If you add a key with keyless or without keyless, it doesn't matter, both of them must be coded on site to start the vehicle. Enjoy!
Now we have a key in the ignition that we're going to program. So we're going to go to element on our tester. This is a 04. Ignition is on. Connection error. Type 2. All keys lost. Ignition is on. We're going to program one key. And we just have to do a series of turn it off, turn it on kind of programming procedures for Honda. The security light here is going to start blinking fast. That means it's in programming mode. Our main objective is to turn that light off completely, which will tell us that the key was programmed correctly. Is the immobilizer light out? It is, because it's no longer showing. Turn it off again. Turn it on, and the job is complete. And that's how you program a Honda key.
Honda element, thank you.
Honda element.